So the future of network marketing is here because there's companies, very few, that are doing three things correctly. Number one, they have done for you marketing, literally where you can pay a set amount of money and have a guaranteed downline member placed in your team. Number two, what the future of network marketing is as well value, not just do we have the best compensation plan? Do we pay more than anyone else in the industry? These things, if any network marketing company usually tells you this, 90% of the time, you know just as well as I do, that's false. It's fake. It's not real. All companies claim this to be true. And it can't be true because all companies are claiming the exact same thing. So if a company is telling you, well, what we do differently is we pay you more, or we have products that are really, really, really unique, the best products in the world, they're all just about the same. What value actually is something beyond just the product and just pay. Because the companies that don't have done for you marketing, the network marketing companies that are not the future of being in network marketing and affiliate marketing, that if you do not join them, these companies, all other companies will no longer exist. And the proof of this is happening in other aspects of the world, where these large corporations are laying off or not hiring tens of millions of people. This is affecting entire percentages of the world's population and being hired. So the only companies that will survive are the ones that adopt and that have the best offer and that have AI integrated, because AI will increase the speed at which the company grows and take the entire market of all these other companies combined. So number one, done for you, AI marketing, or done for you, downline placement. Number two, value of not just a product and service. We don't just pay you, but also an example of this. And don't worry, I'm going to share with you multiple companies. Links will be in the description for multiple companies that do all these different things that will be the future of all network marketing, MLM, and affiliate marketing. So an example of extra value, I just gave you an example of a company that does done for you downline, placed directly below you. Great Life Worldwide does that. And they also have number two as well. They have additional value. So Great Life Worldwide doesn't just offer product and services. They offer, number one, the first product entirely free with your first order. Yes, the first product you get directly to your door as a consumer is entirely free. Number two, they have a savings program included entirely free. And they have the done for you downline system. So they're one of few companies, Great Life Worldwide, link will be in the description. They're one of a few select number of companies that have all three or at least two of these different business models you need to be and to see in any network marketing or affiliate marketing or MLM company you're going to be a part of. So they have some unique value, a savings program included free, their first product included free, plus they have the done for you automated system for getting downline members guaranteed. Impactful. Now there's a third, final, most important thing that you need to look at for any company you want to work with, and that is offer stacking. Meaning, they don't just sell one thing. So for example, they don't just sell protein. They need a whole offer stack of energy drinks or, energy powders. They need another offer stack of stem cells. They need to be somehow moving and grooving with what is trending. Their offers need to be trending and stacked with what people are currently buying. For example, GLP-1s in all of e-commerce and all throughout all network marketing, GLP-1s and GLPs are generating in total hundreds of millions and soon here billions of dollars. This isn't one product that has created an entire new market and entirely new companies all around GLPs. So, to be involved in a network marketing company that isn't going to even be around for the next 5 years or 3 years before these other companies take over, you need to have some done for you element, unique value, other than pay and products, that's a lie, and as well, a strong offer that is trending and new. So there's a few companies that are actually doing this right. The first one is Great Life Worldwide. Link will be in the description. They're a health and wellness company. They're integrating with done for you elements and AI And they have, just as I walked you through, some of the best done-for-you value possible, with the first product included free. And they're on top of the trends. They have GLPs. They have stem cell products. They have a lot going on for them. Another element, if you aren't interested in a health and wellness company, is going the AI business route. Businesses want to integrate with AI. If you can do that for them, they will pay you thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. So there's a company called Profitalize. A link will be in the description of this video. With Profitalize, what they do is they allow you and will build for you your own business that serves these AI companies. Yes, you literally can sell and make thousands to tens of thousands of dollars in a single customer, with a single customer. So life-changing money in one single payment, and they'll give you the exact done-for-you system to get those businesses as clients, and also to deliver automatically those services to those clients, which is incredible. So if you want to work with the done-for-you AI tools and make thousands or tens of thousands of dollars within one single customer being referred, check out Profitalize.com. Link will be in the description of this video. And there's a third company you really, really need to take a look at if you want as much done for you, simple, and really, really low cost ways to grow your business as soon as possible. What you need to do is go to the link in the description for this third and final source, because there's three main sources. The only ones I'm seeing in the market right now are these three sources, where number one is in health and wellness, number two is in AI, which is trending and growing. Notice everything I'm telling you is actually with this right here. It's exactly what I told you you want and need. A company who has a unique, strong offer, done for you elements, and actual value. Not just is Profitalize going to show you how to get the clients done for you, but also fulfill for those clients done for you. Great Life Worldwide, literally, you can join Great Life Worldwide, get your first product free, save money free if you use their savings program, included free, and get customers automatically placed in your downline. And this third one incorporates all these things, just on a different scale. It's not actually launched yet. It's in pre-launch. So what I'd like you to do is actually just go and visit the link in the description. And if it's not there for some reason, contact me privately for this link. I can't say much about it because currently I'm under an NDA. But yeah, check that out as well. So there's number one, there's three main things you need to watch out and look out for when joining any. You can not join these programs I mentioned, but in joining any network marketing, MLM, or affiliate marketing business, please take a look, my friend, and make sure it has at least 2 out of 3 of these elements right here. And if you want to join what solutions that I've already found and researched for you, and I am the number one earner in, check out these solutions here in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And this is the future of network marketing.